Fixing a paper jam on the HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, 7600 printer series. If your printer stops feeding pages or a paper jam error displays on the control panel, follow these steps to clear the paper jam. Check common areas inside the printer for jams. First, check the input tray for jams. Remove all paper from the input tray. Remove the input tray. Remove the output tray. Reach inside the gap where the trays were and then pull out the duplexer plate. Remove any jammed paper. Reinsert the duplexer plate. Reinsert the output tray. Reinsert the input tray. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. If the error is still occurring, try clearing jammed paper from inside the printer. Lift the ink access door. Remove any jammed paper. Close the ink access door. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. If the error is still occurring, try clearing jammed paper from the rear of the printer. Open the rear door of the printer. Remove any jammed paper. Close the rear door. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. If your printer has an ADF or automated document feeder, try clearing jammed paper from inside the ADF. Locate the document feeder cover. Remove any jammed paper. Close the document feeder cover. Press the OK or Resume button to continue the print job. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the paper feed rollers and cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Clean the rollers from the printer control panel. Turn off the printer. Remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Press and hold the power button, press the color copy button 3 times and the black copy button 7 times, and then release the power button. The printer turns on and cleans the paper path rollers. Wait until the printer is idle and silent. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the pickup roller and cause paper feed issues. Clean the paper rollers in the input tray. To clean the rollers, gather a long cotton swab and distilled or filtered water. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and all other cables. Pull out the input tray. Pull out the output tray. Look inside the gap where the trays were and find the gray paper pick rollers. Dampen a long cotton swab with distilled water and then squeeze out any excess water. Press the swab against the rollers and then rotate them away from you with your fingers. Apply a moderate amount of pressure to remove dust or dirt buildup. Reinsert the output tray. Reinsert the input tray. Allow the rollers to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect the power cord and all other cables. Turn on the printer. Reset the printer to recover from printer errors or failures. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.